Yo, what's up, YouTube? Once again, it's your man Basic A1 Detail. I just woke up. We're actually on our way right now to my boy BJ at Print Co Rapid. We're actually gonna go install the side skirts and the rear diffuser side skirts. Yeah, let's see how things go, man. I feel like I'll give the Q50 that extra nice look that it needs. You know what I'm saying? That nice wide body feeling, because I feel like it needs a little more wide. But let's see. We're gonna go over there right now. I should be there by 9 to 7:40 right now. So what's up, guys? We're actually here right now. We tried installing the side skirts. The I guess the OEM mud flap.
It covers it, so we had taken them off right now. We took them off. We're gonna see how it looks now. Much better.
We'll see where it goes from there. After this, I gotta get my DRLs fixed because my DRLs are not working currently. Came out dope.
You got a whole bird's nest in this one.
Oh shit, yeah, bro. Damn, son. Sheesh. Yum,
I just ate it.
Need some water. That's crazy. I did not know stuff can't even get in there. It's so tight in there, yes.
Well, underneath probably.
Yep.
Cause it's glued on the side, but then underneath.
Oh yeah, all that debris in the dirt.
So that's how it looks right now. Now we're back to step one.
She's coming along pretty well though. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Yeah.
Like I've wanted those fenders for a while, man, and they came out real nice, yo. You know Lito's Custom, right? You ever heard of him? You know, he's like one of the.
Has his Infiniti or no?
He has the TSX right now, and he has a Lexus. Yeah, guys, what's up, man? This is my Q right now. Update on the Q. She's bagged right now, and as you can see on the fenders, I bought Fly One fenders, I think they're RS 550 fenders for the Q50. So I bought those. They came out real nice, and like I said, you know, every Q50 has the same exact look. I didn't want to go for that look. I wanted more of a cleaner look, something nice, OEM plus, you know what I'm saying? So I got them painted slate gray to match the car. As you can see, it came out real dope, real nice. And as I was saying earlier, the car, she's bagged right now. So right now the suspension is a little bit bouncy, not my cup of tea, because I was on BC coilovers for a while. So like I said, the car felt really good before. I love the way she drove. So right now with the bags, I'm trying to see if I can stiffen. I'm trying to see if I can stiffen the suspension. But yeah, this is the way she looks right now. I just installed these today, actually. Shout out to Print Co Rapid for installing it, and shout out to YP Auto Detail for applying the ceramic and polishing them for me. They did an amazing job. Thank you very much. And then this is the rears. They look real nice. You know, they came out real nice. They're not A1, like not 100% fitment on the rear, but you know, you get what you pay for. You know, I'm guessing it's not supposed to go with this diffuser, because you can see there's like little gaps on it. But still came out pretty nice. I love the way she looks. Real nice, man. Real nice. Just the update on the Q. You can see she's bagged up. Side skirts installed. She's real pretty, man. Real pretty. I love the fenders. Like the fenders really did the car.
I mean, it's recording right now. I got the vlog going.
So, yeah, you know, we're definitely doing our thing. Maybe next month we'll be getting tuned. FBO, you already know, full downpipes, catalyst, AMS intakes. Let's see how we go with that, you know. A lot of B58s over here.
Like I was saying, side by side, because to be honest with you, I love the way this color looks. On camera, it don't look nowhere near as good, honestly. But this thing looks sexy on camera and off camera. I wish mine was a little bit more blue.
I love this color, bro.
Yeah, it's sexy.
You know what I love about this color? A lot of manufacturers haven't made this color yet.
Yeah, well, that's the thing. Everybody try, like, this is that Nardo gray for Infiniti, right?
Yeah, bro.
And
they call it
like
slate gray.
Slate gray right
I love this color. I don't know. I guess the blue tint.
Yeah, that's what
I
I'm saying.
love
like,
the blue tint.
I when I see certain pictures and certain things, I wish, like, I'm like, this car would be perfect with just a little bit more blue. Like you can see it. It looks like it's a sky blue.
It's like a nice light clay
Yeah.
gray, like it's grays.
Yeah,
It's a nice
this is more
Nardo.
blue, like somebody fucked up and mixed more blue in.
Yeah, they
the
said,
Nardo.
oh shit, you know what? Let's keep the color. Keep the color rolling, bro. And I love it, son. I just love
We
it.
got a bunch of stuff done to it. From last time I think he's seen the video.
So guys,
Right now, first off, the car is on air, so he got it on. He got the car
yes
bagged,
sir.
which I'm gonna be honest, I'm not a bag fan.
Hey, what's up, guys? Your man Basic Q. You already know what's up. So a lot has been done to the Q in just a couple of weeks, and that's right there. That's my man Slow Speed. Don't look at that. I already took him on a 10 roll. I took him on
right.
beat and took off,
Nah,
boy.
nigga, beep, you mean.
That JB4
You
does
beep and
that.
you took off.
That JB4 that does justice, man. You know that. But like I said, I killed it. That's 58. It's nice.
Over here trying to convince me to start a video.